So now guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to concatenate any toString in Python. So we don't have to use any concatenate functions like in other languages. We can use the plus keyword or plus operator to concat any two strings. How will I do that? So suppose A is a string called our favorite hello, and the second will be our string which is world, and now I'm going to concat uh, these word strings. So how will I do that? I'm going to store these two values in another variable which is hello, and then I'm going to concat by plus and then another. So I can just use variable. Why I just use those store those value into two variables? I have to use the variables. So I just a plus b, and now I'm going to print this c variable. So what the hell is this? What happened to is this? So yeah. Now let's print the c value, and it will concate both the string hello and world. But there is a typo here. We will see the in output, and as you can see there is no space in concatenation. So we have to use or we have to add space here. So how will I do that? Just put double quotes with the space and then again plus. So it will concate space with these two strings in between. So let's see and print it again. Here is output. I'm looking for output, and as you can see now it is concave with space. Get it? So we have to do hard coding for the adding space here. There is no since if you use the concate function in Java, it will concate with the space. Now in this case we have to use space, or we have to add separately space in between two strings. So now what can we do? Now another method which is very important in Python is format method. What does that format do? So if we trying to concate a string with number, it won't work. Let's see. So suppose this I'm going to create one variable which is 21 each, and then there's a text called my name is Karam, and I am, yeah, I'm going to leave it here. And if I concate with this each here, will it work? Let's print this value, text, print. It is not showing any error right now. It is not highlighting. So hopefully it should work, but it won't. I know that. So let's see. It takes lots of time in executing any code in Visual Studio, so I don't like that. But it gives so much suggestion in right now. What is showing? It is showing uh, type error can only concrete string, not integer. Got it? So in this problem, format method can be used. How can we use this method? Let's see. So I'm going to use format method here. Format, and then I'm going to put the variable age, and I'm going to remove age from here, and we have to also place here curly brackets. And you must be thinking why I'm using this curly brackets. So basically when First of all, it will format this age integer as a string, fine, and then it will concat with the this string. But the placeholder, this is the curly bracket is basically the placeholder, and where it is actually it will put the age value in place of the curly brackets. If I put curly brackets here, it will put the integer or it will put the in the age value from here where the curly brackets actually. So it is actually used to locate the number at the right place. Fine. So yeah, now you can use different things like if I want to I'm going to change this string for my so suppose I'm going to place placeholder here because I want to put some value here and I want pieces of item and then I'm going to put one more placeholder here $4. Again I'm going to put placeholder here. So now I'm going to use three variable here. One is quantity. Now you will see what is the use of this placeholder. So now the second variable is item, and which will be 567, and now the next one is price. The price is 49.56. Got it? So now I'm going to pass these variables in the format function. So first of all, I'm going to put quantity. So quantity will be placed at this placeholder. So it will replace this value. The next value is actually the next value is item. Hmm. And the last value is price. Now what does it do actually? So it will replace it. This placeholder will be replaced with quantity, and this placeholder will be replaced by item, and this will be replaced by price. So it will go respectively. Understood? So yeah, that's how it works. So you can do multiple, or you can add multiple text into any string, or multiple integer into any string by using format. So it is very good method, I think. So yeah. Now one more thing you can do in this, you can also put index number in the placeholder. If I put 2 here, so it will use or it will add the item, sorry, the item, not the index 2 values, basically the price will be insert here, and if I put 0 here, it will put this integer or this quantity will be here. So it is used for the indexing. You can use indexing and put the correct value to the right place. So if I put 1 here, so the item value will be at this point. Got it? So yeah, that's how it works. I hope you get it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.